Here we have an install job over in Midland, Perth. These particular elderly client, as you can see here, had very old stain carpet down with older rubber underlay, which we pulled all that up and disposed it off-site for the customer. The whole process started with a phone call and listened to the client's needs. I then made an appointment and came over to Anne's house, and she chose the right carpet with our advice and the colours that suit. The quote was submitted and accepted, the carpet was ordered, and we turned up on the agreed time and date. And this was the transformation that we created. Anne chose a cream biscuit colour twist pile carpet, which went with all her furnishings. This carpet was installed in all the bedrooms. After finishing up, we cleared away all the rubbish and offcuts, left the job clean and tidy. All our installations come with a lifetime warranty against stretching, and things like seams coming apart, etc. So why not call the Carpet Man on your next project, and let's make your carpet dreams come true.
It's carpet restretching, laying it